Starting a new job brings excitement and a touch of uncertainty. Mastering your tools makes all the difference. Let's explore Microsoft Teams together, step by step. Meet your friendly 3D guide. First, logging into Microsoft Teams is easy. Launch the app or website, enter your company email and password, and click Sign In. Your digital workspace comes to life. On the left sidebar, find your main tools. Click Activity to catch up on mentions and messages. Next, the Chat tab lets you send direct messages. Click Chat, select New Chat, type your colleague's name, and start a conversation. To join team discussions, click Teams. Select your group, like Marketing, and enter the General channel. Post updates or ask questions. Files are easy to find. Click the Files tab in any team or channel to view shared documents. Open, download, or edit files right there. Meetings are simple. Click Calendar in the menu. To schedule, hit New Meeting, fill in details, invite teammates, and send. Join meetings from your calendar. If you ever feel lost, use the search bar at the top. Type a keyword to find messages, people, or files instantly. Mastering Microsoft Teams is just a few clicks away. With these steps, you're ready to connect, collaborate, and thrive from day one. Let's make every day at work productive together.